Plates Kitchen. Today we're making Cioppino-Style Shellfish Stew. Our spices include fennel seed, chili flakes, Old Bay seasoning, and fresh garlic. The seafood is shrimp, cod, clams, and scallops. Get a Dutch oven and heat it. Add a generous amount of olive oil to the hot pan. Add the chopped onion. When the chopped onion is started to turn translucent, after stirring it, you can add the garlic. After that, add the fennel seed. Finally, add the chili flakes. Stir that all around. Add tomatoes that you've crushed with your hands. Stir that. While that's happening, add boiling water to the lobster base. Set that aside. Next thing you're going to do is add the clam juice. Stir that. Now you're going to add the lobster base that you made a moment ago and stir that. Crush the saffron threads with your fingers and add those. Next, it's the Old Bay seasoning. Add that, stir. Now you're going to add some white wine. Save some for yourself, at least a sip. Okay, add the white wine. Next, freshly ground black pepper. Finally, add the cod and stir it. Then you're going to add baby red potatoes. You don't have to add these if you don't want them, but they're really, really good in it. And you're going to let it cook for about a half an hour, stirring occasionally. Next, test the potato. Add the clams. Stir them in. Add the scallops. The scallops should be at least 130 degrees. Then add the shrimp. Cook that for a few minutes. And now you're ready to serve. This is very, very good with some crusty French bread. You can get it at Imperfect Foods. The Essential Baking Company makes organic French demi baguettes, which are absolutely wonderful with this. So enjoy the stew. Remember that all of the recipe, ingredients, amounts, and instructions are on the website. We'll see you again soon. Enjoy! Thanks for watching.